Hi everyone, I'm Jaime from the DJI Enterprise team, and I'm excited to introduce our new LiDAR payload, the Zenmuse L2. LiDAR, short for Light Detection and Ranging, is a remote sensing technology that uses laser light to generate 3D models of objects or landscapes. Aerial LiDAR systems are particularly valuable for large-scale topographic surveys because the laser can penetrate through the canopies, making it possible to accurately measure ground elevation and create detailed maps. In addition, LiDAR has many applications in various industries, including construction, urban planning, and forestry. Back in 2020, DJI introduced its first integrated LiDAR system, the Zenmuse L1. Now we're excited to introduce the Zenmuse L2, our latest highly integrated LiDAR system designed for the Matrice 300 and the Matrice 350. This system includes a Livebox LiDAR model, a RGB camera, a high-accuracy IMU, all compact in a 3-axis stabilized gimbal. So let's take a closer look at what's new with this LiDAR payload. Let's discuss the accuracy of the L2. It has been significantly improved compared to its predecessor. The precision of the L2 has increased threefold compared to the L1. The thickness of the collected point cloud is only 1/3 of that of the L1, making it capable of achieving a vertical accuracy of 4 centimeters at a flight height of 150 meters. This is a significant improvement compared to the L1, which means you can now capture even more precise data than before. For those working in dense vegetation, the L2 doesn't just offer improved accuracy, but also enhanced penetration capability. Beam divergence in a LiDAR system refers to the way the laser beam spreads out as it travels away from the sensor. The L2 has a significantly smaller beam divergence compared to the L1, meaning it has much narrower laser beam and a smaller laser spot, which allows to gather data past the vegetation. Additionally, the L2 supports up to 5 returns, which increases our capacity to collect the bare Earth data. Among these returns, the first return can provide the height of the measured object, the middle returns can correspond to different layers of the object structure, and the last return corresponds to the bare ground. In densely vegetated areas, multiple returns can easily use to provide information such as the height of the trees, the width of the tree crowns, and the height of the ground layer. Small beam divergence combined to multiple return capability makes the Zenmuse L2 a great choice for applications such as forestry resource management and ecological research, where the canopy covers represents a challenge. The L2 offers repetitive and non-repetitive scanning to use based on your scenario. Repetitive scan is ideal for precise topographic survey scans, while non-repetitive scan works better for collecting vertical structured data that may require a larger field of view. On top of all of that, we have significantly improved the RGB camera with a micro 4/3 CMOS sensor that is nearly double of its predecessor, along with a faster interval shot capability. As a result, the L2 provides great true color LiDAR data. One of the biggest advantages of using the DJI integrated LiDAR system is that you can capture both LiDAR and photogrammetry data simultaneously. The DJI Pilot 2 app displays the corresponding overlap ratio for both RGB camera and LiDAR scanner. When you adjust the overlaps for either sensor, the corresponding overlaps of the other sensor will show in real time, so you can plan a flight to accomplish data capture for both sensors. When it comes to scanning efficiency, the detection range of a LiDAR sensor plays a crucial role. The longer the detection range that airborne LiDAR supports, the higher the flight altitude can be. This means that within the same scan field of view, you can achieve a larger scan coverage, resulting in a greater efficiency. The Zenmuse L2 has an extended maximum detection range of 250 meters at 10% reflectance and 100 lux, allowing you to cover an area of 600 acres on a single flight while maintaining a 4-centimeter vertical accuracy. Now, let's talk about the inertial navigation system of the L2, which is a really important aspect of any mobile LiDAR system. With the previous L1, you had to power up the drone and wait up to 5 minutes for the IMU to warm up before you could use it. Now, with L2, you don't need that warm-up process. So you can start capturing data as soon as the system is powered on and has RTK connectivity. The DJI Pilot 2 app displays the collected point clouds in real time on the map layer. This intuitive view allows you to quickly check the map for any missed areas that may require additional scans. For large-scale projects, the L2 allows you to merge point clouds that have been collected from multiple flights. You can also view previously captured point clouds directly on the DJI Pilot 2 app, making it easy to review the developments or changes of your project. Once you have collected the data using the L2, you can easily access the mission quality report directly in the DJI Pilot 2 app. This report will inform you whether the on-site data collection quality meets the required standards, allowing you to make timely decisions on whether to supplement or recollect the data. DJI Terra is a software that pre-processes and converts LiDAR raw data into manageable point cloud formats. Now, within Terra software, you can verify the thickness of the ground layer, perform ground classification, and export a digital elevation model. You can also apply elevation control points using Terra to further improve the accuracy of your LiDAR scans. This streamlined process provides a complete workflow for surveying and mapping tasks. Overall, the L2 is an excellent choice for a variety of applications. Its improved efficiency, accuracy, and range makes it a significant upgrade over its predecessor. With an enhanced LiDAR model, RGB camera, the L2 is an affordable sensor capable of capturing high-precision geospatial data. We're thrilled about the potential of the ZenMuse L2, and we can't wait to see what kind of incredible data you will be able to collect with it. We've put a lot of thought on how we could improve, and we hope you appreciate the upgrades. Which new feature are you the most excited about? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DJI Enterprise content.